Okay, Bailey is soldering pins on a Pico W, Raspberry Pi Pico W. Go ahead, Bailey, and explain what you're doing.
I am soldering on 20 pins to the bottom side of this board. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. And I'm soldering these little pins to the bottom of it.
Okay.
Sorry, what?
And you're trying to make sure that you're getting solder on every pin all the way around, and explain how you check to make sure that it's mounted right.
I always just push them all the way down into the breadboard on both sides to make sure that they're not sideways.
And to make sure that they're straight up and down.
I use a magnifying glass.
Okay, good. So there will be more about this as we get more pins soldered on. Thank you, Jason, for the Pico Ws.